Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to ESE Online. In this particular video, we will see the most important advertisement released by the PGCIL. That means POWERGRID Corporation of India Limited. It is a Maharatna company, okay, working under Ministry of Power, Government of India. So, this is the most important advertisement application released by the PGCIL. Okay, let's see what are most important details mentioned in this important notification. POWERGRID seeks application from capable, committed, energetic and resilient graduates, okay, to join fields as first is diploma trainee electrical, that is DTE, diploma trainee civil, that is DTC, diploma trainee survey, that is DTS, junior officer trainee HR, JOT, HR, junior officer trainee F&A, junior JOT, F&A, junior technician trainee survey, JTT survey. So these are important 6 applications for the capable and resilient candidate. Okay, let's see the detail. Here PGCIL is carrying recruitment on the behalf of CTUIL, that means Central Transmission Utility India Limited. And here all the important various regions and projects are mentioned. Regions and project and jurisdiction part is also mentioned. Northern region, Rajasthan project, Northern region 2, NR2, Northern region 3, Eastern region 1, Eastern region 2, Northeastern region, all are mentioned here with their jurisdiction area. Okay, so you have to know the important jurisdiction area and the region project, which is important for your important details. Odisha project, Southern region 1, Southern region 2, Western region 1, Western region 2 and their jurisdiction places. Okay, vacancies and reservation also given by the PGCIL for corporate center. Here DTE, DTC, JOT, F&A, JTT surveyor all are mentioned with their post ID and total vacancies. Total vacancies for these important, that means corporate center, PGCIL and the important post are 21, where 12 for UR, 2 EWS, for OBC non-creamy layer, 3 SC and 0 for ST, PWBD 4, 1 for ex-serviceman and 0 for DEX, ex-serviceman. Okay, so all the important reasons and their POWERGRID Corporation vacancies are mentioned. DTS in the Eastern region, JTT surveyor, total vacancies 2. And second is DTE, DTC, DTS and JTT surveyor for Eastern region 2, total vacancies 16. You have to go through this important details, important PDF to see your important category wise bifurcation of the vacancies. Okay, DTE, DTC, DTS, JOT, F&A, JTT survey, total vacancies 31 plus 1. Star mark that means backlog vacancies for Odisha project. Northeastern region, total vacancies 33 for DTC and JTT survey. Northern region 1, DTE and DTC 92. Next is Rajasthan project, total 42 vacancies for DTC, JOTHR, DTS, JTT survey. Northern region 2, DTE, DTC, DTS, JOT, HR, JTT survey, total 48 plus 2. Plus 2 that means backlog. Northern region 3, DTE, DTC, DTS, JTT surveyor 44 plus 1. 1 backlog vacancy. Southern region 1 for total 46 plus 1 backlog. Southern region 2, total 79 plus 2 backlog. Okay, Western region 1, total 67. Western region 2, 630 plus 8 backlog vacancies with DTC, JOT, HR, JOT, F&A, survey, JTT. Okay, and the last CTUIL, that means Central Transmission Utility India Limited, total 30. Okay, so backlog vacancies and the all other posts are also mentioned in this important PDF. So you have go through this important PDF. Let's see the most important term which is mentioned in this PDF. Job description, essential qualification for DTE. Most important part, full-time regular 3 years diploma in relevant discipline in engineering, electrical, power, electrical and electronics, power system engineering, power engineering, electrical from recognized technical board institute with 70% marks for general, OBC, non-creamy layer, EWS candidate and pass marks for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Okay. So it is important. DTC, full-time regular 3 years diploma in civil engineering. Civil engineering from recognized technical board or institute with minimum 70% marks for general, OBC and EWS and pass marks for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Okay. DTS, 3 years diploma, survey engineering, diploma in civil engineering and recognized board and institute having 70% marks for all candidates. For DTS, JOTHR, 3 years and full-time graduate regular degree, BBA, BBM and BBS or equivalent qualification from recognized institute, university with not less than 60% of marks for the general, EWS, NCL category candidates. That means all important posts and their eligibility criteria in qualification mentioned. JOT, F&A, Inter CA, Inter CMA candidate with postgraduate degree and postgraduate diploma CA, CMA or equivalent, that means higher education qualification shall not be allowed to apply for the said post. That means for this JOT, F&A, finance and audit. JTT, survey, full-time regular 2 years ITI surveyor from the recognized technical board institute. Qualifications should be recognized from the government approved ITIs, national council, that means NCVT and SCVT certificate is also mandatory for ITI in surveyor. Okay, so all important post and qualification mentioned here. Upper age limit, maximum age required 27 years, age on 11/5/2026. Minimum age 18 years, maximum age 27 year, cutoff date 11/5/2026. Okay, pay scale 24,000 for pay scale for the DTE, DTC, DTS, JOTHR and JOT finance and audit. 24,000 plus HRA and perks at 12% basic pay per month. And for JTT surveyor 21,000, 12% basic per month. This is for motivation. Okay. Service agreement bond. It is very important. Service agreement bond, the selected candidate on training. If you have selected, okay, then on training will be required to execute a service agreement bond of amount 2,50,000 for general, OBC, non-creamy layer and EWS candidate and 1,25,000 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. For the post of JTT surveyor, general candidate, OBC, non-creamy layer or EWS candidate will submit, have to submit 1,25,000 service bond and SC, ST, PWD candidate 62,500 service bond. Okay, application fee 300 for general, for the post of DTE, DTC, DTS, JOT, HR for general and EWS and OBC and rupees 200 for the JTT post. But candidates belonging from SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen exempted from the payment of fee. Okay, not required to pay the payment, not required to pay the application fee. But candidate belonging from, not belonging from this important category, then they have to pay 300 for this post and 200 for this JTT survey post. So it is also mentioned application fee. Now let's see. Age relaxation as per government norms 3 years for OBC, non-creamy layer 5 years for SC, ST and ex-servicemen, PWBD candidates 10 years and 13 years for OBC, 15 years for SC, ST. Okay, PWD and NCL, non-creamy layer, SC, ST, PWBD all are mentioned here. with different age relaxation details. Selection process. This is very important. The selection process shall consist of written test, computer-based test. That means computer-based test or written test, both are same, of eligible candidate, and computer skill test or trade test wherever applicable for the pre-employment medical examination. Okay. For DTE, DTC, DTS, written test or computer-based test, 100% weightage. GOT, CBT, 100% weightage and followed computer or skill test which is qualifying in nature. JTT surveyor, computer-based test, 100% weightage and trade test which is qualifying in nature. Okay, you have to qualify only for survey and HR F&A for the followed by the trade test and the computer skill test for this important post. Written test comprise of two parts. First is part 1 and part 2 and test duration 2 hours. For part 1, TKT and PKT, that means technical knowledge for DTE, DTC, DTS, JTT surveyor. Professional knowledge for GOT, HR, F&A will have specific question from respective discipline, and part 2 comprise of question on English vocabs, okay, verbal comprehension, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, data sufficiency and interpretation, numerical ability and general awareness. Total 170 questions. All questions carry 1 marks and wrong and multiple answer would result in negative marks 1/4 per wrong answer. Okay, that means you have to be careful at the time duration of your written test. So 30% for the vacancy reserve for separately, it is also mentioned. Now let's see the important term. These are test cities, okay, test center. Delhi NCR, Northern Region 1, Rajasthan, Northern Region 2, Southern Region 2, Eastern Region 2, all the important region and their test center mentioned in this particular PDF. Now you have to know about how to apply. Interested or eligible candidate go through www.powergrid.in and then career section, job opportunities, non-executive position, recruitment of non-executive post 2026 and no other means or mode of application shall be accepted. At first you have to know about the detail of this important advertisement released by the PGCIL, okay, and go through this important section, that means how to apply. Candidates should submit only one post, only one application for the post. Application submitted may be edited or updated till the last date of submission of the online application. It cannot be altered after that. That means you have to fill your all details, your personal detail, email ID, phone number, your address, correspondence and communication address in carefully. Okay. So this is also mentioned, and documents whichever needed at the time duration of your applying this important form. Documents: recent passport size photo, color photo with 50 kp JPG form and signature, blue or black ink, 50 kb JPG form, qualification certificate or mark sheet, semester certificate along with the proof of norms adopted by the Technical Board Institute. That means qualification certificate and mark sheet are required to be scanned in one PDF, 10 MB in PDF form. And NOC certificate for those candidates who are working in PSU, public sector undertaking, and government, state government, then they have to produce, they have to submit, upload NOC certificate 3 MB PDF, caste certificate, EWS certificate, PWBD certificate 3 MB PDF in form, okay, ex-serviceman certificate 3 MB PDF in form, domicile certificate PDF 3 MB. So these are documents whichever is needed when you will apply the important post. Okay. So you have to scan all your important documents. Now let's see the important dates. Here it is mentioned. Opening date of online submission. Opening date of online submission of application 2026. Then you will be you can apply your application form on after 20 April 2024. Okay, 17 hours. Closing date for online submission of application form 11/5/2026, 23:59 hours. Cutoff date of age 11/5/2026 and cutoff date for acquiring qualification 15/7/2027. So this is the detail given by the PGCIL. Okay. If you want to download this important PDF, then go through this description part of the video and also visit the PGCIL website where you can see the detail of this PDF. Okay. So stay tuned with us. We will meet in next video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.